Hello guys, today I'll be doing a video on Bitcoin, which is a form of cryptocurrency. As you know, I have this Bitcoin chart here in front of you, and I want to show you guys some interesting patterns and trends that I have observed. So let's start with the short term. So if you can see a short term view, Bitcoin has basically this is making a bullish flag, and then here we have bull flag, and as you can see, Bitcoin has failed to break out of this bull flag, and instead has broken down to lower levels, right? It is now consolidating basically in a narrow range, forming a bear flag. If you can see here, which is bearish continuation pattern. As you can see, that indicates potential breakdown to the downside. So that would be my short-term scenario for basically Bitcoin. Now let's zoom out and look at the midterm view. So as you can see, here we can see that Bitcoin has been forming a series of bull flags, right? So this one, again that one, this one, and another this one. Let me take out these ones, the previous lines. That is short for short-term view. So it is, as you can see, it's a we have bullish continuation pattern that indicates basically a potential breakout to the upside. So if it goes to upside, that is most likely here. Here is our resistance at this level. 32,000 is the one a benchmark set. So here, somewhere here, yeah, and these levels. So that is our resistance, 32,000, right? And also, if you guys see here, along with that, um, um, there is also it is forming a trend sloping trend line since its near term low of around 17,000. I think it's in Jan somewhere 2023, and it has tested, if you can see, a trend line several times, multiple times, but each time it has been rejected and bounced back to the upper levels. Now, right now, it is trying to break this trend line again, along with the strong resistance at around $32,000. So this is critical level for Bitcoin, guys, because if it can break above this level, it will invalidate the downtrend and signal a possible reversal to the upside. However, if it fails to break this level, it will confirm the downtrend and signal possible continuation to the downside. So to confirm the reversal or continuation of the trend, we need to look for some patterns here, guys, that can give us clues at least about the future directions of Bitcoin. So one such pattern, like you can see here, is the head and shoulder pattern, which is a reversal pattern that consists of basically three peaks, as you can see: a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. The head is a peak. The head is a peak here, and the shoulders are lower than the head. As you can see, here is the shoulder is trying to form a shoulder here, another right shoulder, and the pattern is completed when the price breaks below this neckline. So if you can see, this could be a neckline, um, which is horizontal line that consists of basically lows of two shoulders. A break below the neckline indicates that the previous uptrend has reversed and now downtrend has begun. So if you see here the black line, this is potential head and shoulder pattern, guys. All right, so long term, if you see here, guys, as I show, you can see that Bitcoin has been forming a bearish flag, a bear flag, which is bearish in nature, right? And also there is another resistance. So here, if you can see, So there is a resistance at these levels. So once it breaks this level 32,000, the next one is 37,000 around, and the next would be 47, 48,000 will be our target if it breaks this level. Otherwise, this is, as you guys see, it's a bear flag. So bear flag is bearish in nature, which possibly will break down again to 16,000, 17,000 range. And yeah, and also I noticed one very long time. So here it's well, I will discuss that one later with you guys, but I just want to let you guys know like how I see the midterm, short term and long term view of mine about the Bitcoin. And of course these patterns are not guaranteed at all to play out as expected. They are only probabilities based on historical data and technical analysis. There are many other factors, guys, that can influence the price of Bitcoin here, such as you guys know, news, market sentiments. So therefore, we need to be flexible and adaptable, right, to changing market conditions here. If you're interested in trading or investing in Bitcoin, you need to have a clear strategies, guys, and a plan. You need to know your entry point, exit point, stop loss, risk reward ratios, etc. And you also need to be aware of the support or resistance levels that can act as a barriers or targets for the price movements of Bitcoin. And these are the levels that I have discussed and that I'm watching for the Bitcoin. Depending on how the price reacts to these levels, I will adjust my strategies and plan accordingly. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. And at last, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Take care.